Okay, good.
We got
Yeah, because it can die really quickly in snow.
Yeah, let's see how much I got. 55%. Cedar snow! Hit that sign!
Oh, yeah.
I'm like running, this is great.
No vandalism. Oh, whoa.
Yeah!
I don't have actual boots. I just have my shoes, so I'm...
Oh yeah, these are completely waterproof. Oh, for those in the audience, you missed a sick slide on this snow.
Oh, so...
And you also, no, you probably saw Calvin miss that sign.
Nope, I made that sign.
No, you missed it.
Oh, I made it.
Oh yeah, that's so much fun.
All right, let's hit the pillar. Here's the pillar.
I did get that one. Don't you worry.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Boom, I hit it.
Oh, that was a direct hit.
Erase the Whoa.
That was a power move right there. You.
Ninja.
I'm so ninja, they think I play Fortnite.
No, wait, no, good point. You're Killer Bean, dude.
Go Killer Bean on him. Here's the lake.
Pretty pretty.
It's pretty. It's legit so bright though. That's the crazy thing.
It is. Crazy. All right, can I hit the bench? I missed the bench. Okay.
Calvin is in distress.
I hit the bench. Let's go! Yeah! Bandits. We're from Home Alone. We're the sneaky bandits.
Oh, you bet we are. Where should we break into?
I don't know.
Given last time I tried to pick a lock, I got a piece of paper clip stuck in the lock. Yeah.
It's fun. Yeah, it was fun.
It is, because another guy got it out.
Yeah, well, here we go. Dude, what's that noise? Is that the snow?
That is. This tree is stupid and still didn't drop its leaves. Look at this, look at this.
Look at this dude.
Look at this
No.
tree.
No.
I don't think it's winter yet. I'm not gonna drop them. What do you think now? Statue, pole, chucks, lake, Chick-fil-A. It's great.
I feel like I'm playing like a Wii game where the aiming is just terrible. Oh! I hit right on the center.
The Rock.
Trust me.
Rock to the Rock.
Dwayne The Rock Johnson?
Oh, we gotta figure him in our unit, don't we?
Wait, what?
We got the Rock.
Oh, we do.
We do have the Rock.
We have The Rock.
Man, this is fun.
It is.
And I don't know what time it is. We've probably still got an hour until curfew. So
Yeah, we have till 1, I think. Yeah, at the worst it's 11:25. I don't want to hit the clock. That's like
sacrilege.
yeah, I was about to say sacred or something, but sacred.
Don't be a heathen.
It sounds like there's. It almost sounds like.
Pterodactyls.
Yeah.
Sounds like Jurassic Park.
Oh!
You nailed it.
I hit it. Dude, Michael Jackson style. Snow walking more like.
Hey, we had that question.
Huh?
The question from our trivia game. Hey, I don't want to go through that crowd. We're skirting down. Plane. Oh, Calvin, you ready for this?
Oh gosh. Don't hit the speed.
No, we're sure is we're gonna slide this. What about tracks? Worse. I can never catch the shot of me sliding.
Where's you want me to hold the camera?
You want to?
I can't for a
Hey,
bit.
next hill. Next hill we'll do it.
Good point. Dude, I feel like we're gonna get like mobbed. Cedarville's a dangerous place, guys. To all those viewers out there. I'm telling you, Cedarville, it's a good place, but just don't go out at night. These crazy Christians. Oh, nope.
Oi.
That was close. Like, if it was an archery thing, I'd get like at least an 8. At least an 8.
At least.
It's about the attitude.
It's a tree.
That is a tree. That's like a
Squirrel?
tree. No squirrel. There could be squirrels. They're probably sleeping
Like
though.
squirrels.
I love squirrels.
It's a spirit animal.
Squirrels, they are my spirit animal. They're fast. They're agile. They're smart. They have to remember tens of thousands of nuts.
Tens of thousands of nuts.
In their lifetime. They
That's
have to
a lot of
remember.
nuts.
Yeah, it is. It really is. It's crazy. Dude, like, the camera can't show it, but if you look up, it's just like almost like a sandstorm. Like, it's just coming
Oh no, we
in.
can get it.
Oh, man, gotta love technology.
Oh, my different one's got 2 cameras.
Nice.
Wait. Oh, and I can zoom out too. That's what the new camera lens does. That I got 2 of them.
Oh.
So like that's normal. I can zoom out to here.
Dude, that's crazy.
Hey, we're gonna do this for a while. You're staying out zoom. This thing's actually coming down hard. This thing's gonna hit you.
Yeah. Actually, I have no idea where we're going.
This is a civil engineering building, right? No, this is the EPL. That's the civil engineering building, yes?
Oh, yeah. No, that is the...
Chemistry lab?
Yeah, chemistry lab.
Chemistry lab. Never been there. Never planning on.
Yeah,
On it.
I get to for Dr. McLean.
He gets to.
Yeah, I get to with Dr. McLean. He's a great professor. Truck. No! Oh, wait. No, you're right. You were right. It's the EPL.
Yeah.
Man, Willem's always right, guys.
That's not true. We played trivia. I was not always right.
Good point.
I didn't know I couldn't think of what shutter shades were. Because I was thinking about house shutters and house shades. Yeah.
No, it's understandable. Understandable, happy accident.
This is like literally the most powdery snow I've ever seen.
Yeah.
I actually think so. This is straight powder.
You know what else is straight?
Oh, what else is straight powder, Calvin?
Sugar. Did you see that recovery right there? That's pretty good recovery.
I don't even know what you were talking about.
Uncanny. Wall. Yeah!
Here's our telescope thingy.
I can't get that off. I usually erase the evidence.
Is that vandalism? Do we have a vandal in our midst?
Oh gosh. Oh, I'm gonna get struck by lightning if I answer this right. I say it's not.
Oh, look at all that snow.
It's coming down graciously.
That's interesting. See, when I zoom out, there's a snowflake on one of my things. See, that's where it switches cameras.
Oh. Cool.
So we'll wipe that one off. Hey, this is why we're engineers.
Yeah. This is so cool. I can't wait to show.
I'll send this to you.
Via
somehow.
email, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be interesting. I also do have a USB.
Yes.
Holds up to, I believe it's either 4 or 8 gigabytes. So It's a pretty monster USB cable. Cord. USB. It's just a USB. What does
Man,
USB
my
stand
boots.
for?
Universal Serial Bus.
Really?
Yes. There's a serial communication.
As a
And it's
USB?
universal, and since it has multiple connections, it's called a bus.
Cool. Is it like a USC, like a car?
A universal serial car?
Yeah. When are they going to invent that yet? Come on, engineer. No, I'm an engineer. I shouldn't say that. True. No cap.
Universal
No cap.
Serial Civil Engineer.
Mm-mm.
The USCE.
Snow! Crazy.
My boots are going to be very wet after this, but that's okay. They're wet.
It is okay.
My feet are very warm. It's actually not that cold. To all our viewers,